Good morning, students. Today, given two linear equations. How to solve the equations? There are two methods. One is matrix inversion method. Another one is grammar rule or grammar rule method. First, we have to take matrix inversion method. The solution of Ax is equal to b. The solution of Ax is equal to b is x is equal to A inverse b, where capital X is small x, comma y. The relation between x and y, given two equations, relation between x and y, then capital X is xy. Capital A is coefficient of x term, coefficient of y term. Next equation, coefficient of x term, coefficient of y term. Next, the constant term b is C1, C2. This is constant. The nature of equation is A1x plus B1y is equal to C1 and A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. These two equations are given. X and y are the relation between these two equations. Therefore, capital X is equal to xy. Capital A is, take first equation, coefficient of x term A1, coefficient of y term B1. Take second linear equation, coefficient of x term is A2, coefficient of y term is B2. So, A is 4. B is, take two equations, the constant number C1 and C2, column wise writing, we get B. Okay, now we have to take exercise number 1.3, EX number 1.3, sum number 1, subdivision number 1. The question is, solve the following system of linear equation. Solve the following system of linear equation by matrix inversion method. Question number 1, 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2, x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. First, matrix equation. The given equations can be written in the form of matrix. The given equations can be written in the form of matrix. We have to write matrix equation form. Okay, now the matrix equation form is already known. Ax is equal to P of the form. So 2, 5, coefficient of x term, coefficient of y term, n, the first system of equation. Next, coefficient of x term is 1, coefficient of y term is 2, xy is equal to minus 2 minus 3. This is of the form capital A x is equal to b. The given system of equations, a relation is x and y. So the relation between the two equations are x and y. Now the matrix equation is A capital X is equal to B of the form, where capital A is equal to the first box 2 5 1 2. X is small x small y. Next B is minus 2, constant column minus. Okay, now take the matrix equation Ax is equal to B, taking inverse on both sides. Ax is equal to B, taking A inverse on both sides, we have A inverse of Ax is equal to A inverse of B. Now change the bracket. A inverse of A into capital X is equal to A inverse of B. Next, A inverse of A is unit matrix capital I into X is equal to A inverse of B. Multiply unit matrix by the given matrix is the given matrix is equal to A inverse of B. Now we have to find inverse of A first, then product gives capital X. Okay, first to find inverse. A inverse is equal to already known result 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First to find determinant of A. Suppose determinant of A is equal to 0, we cannot find the inverse of A. Suppose not equal to 0, the determinant value, then inverse X is. Okay, first we have to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A is 2 5 1 2, 2 5 1 2. Now 2 2s are 4 minus 1 5 is 5 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular. A is non-singular means A inverse X is. Now product of A inverse B is capital X. Therefore capital X is equal to A inverse of B. First to find inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is minus 1. We know that in a 2 cross 2 matrix, place changing, sign changing is adjoint of A. So place changing, A1 indices, A2 indices, 2 2, interchanging we get again 2 2. Next sign changing, minus 5 minus 1. Now 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 5 minus 1 2. This minus 1 is a scalar. Scalar multiplied by any matrix gives the any matrix multiplied by all the indices of the scalar. That is minus 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 5 is positive 5. minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Multiply all the indices a11, a12, a21, a22 by the scalar minus 1. We get minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Now capital X is equal to A inverse of B. A inverse is minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. B is the constant column. Here minus 2, minus 3 is B. Minus 2, minus 3 is B. Now this is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 1 matrix. Product X is 2, 2, delete 2, 2, we get 2 cross 1. So product X is 2 cross 1 matrix answer. Is equal to first row, first column, minus 2, minus 2, positive 4, minus 2, minus 3, positive 6. First row, second column, minus 2, minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 2, minus 3 is minus 15. Next, second row, first column, minus 2 plus 6, minus 2, second row, first column. Now first row, first column, okay. Second row, first column, okay. This is not necessary. First row, first column, minus 2, minus 2, 4, minus next 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Minus 15, okay. Second row, first column, minus 2 plus 6. So minus 11, positive 4. There are two ways. This is easy way. First row, first column, second row, first column. First row, minus 2, positive 4, 5, minus 3 is minus 15. Okay. Second row, 1 into minus 2, plus 6. My positive, negative into negative is positive. Therefore 6. Now minus 11, 4. Capital X means capital X means small x y. Therefore small x y is equal to minus 11, 4. Now x is equal to minus 11, y is equal to 4. How it is possible? This is 2 cross 1 matrix. This is again 2 cross 1 matrix. So number of rows to number of columns to middle sign is equal to. So 2, 2, 1, 1. Same matrix. Therefore x is equal to minus 11. Y is equal to positive 4. The solution set is first x minus 11, next 4. Verification. The answer is right or wrong. Checking method. Take any one equation. Take first equation. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. First equation. Number 1. Number 2. LHS of 1. LHS of equation number 1 is equal to 2x plus 5y. 2 into minus 11 plus 5 into 4 minus 22 plus 20 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is RHS of equation number 1. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS vanish. So, the solution is correct. Next, we are going to take grammar method. Grammar method. Now, in the grammar method, the same procedure, but two equations are linear equations, or three equations are linear equations. First, two equations are given, there are linear equations. Three equations are given, there are linear equations. In this case, very important for your examination point of view, how to tackle the problem. Ex number 1.4, sum number 1, subdivision number 1. Solve the system of linear equations. Number 1 equation 5x plus minus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0, x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, the two equations are linear equations, relation between x and y. Solve the system of linear equations by the grammar method. Grammar's method. First, we have to take the individual equations. First equation 5x minus 2y. The equation number, first equation becomes 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 16. Equation number 1. Second equation, x plus 3y is equal to positive 7. Positive 7. Now, the given equation can be written. The given equations can be written in the form of matrix. Ax is equal to b of the form 5x. 5 of x is 5. Coefficient of y is minus 2 in the first equation. Next equation, coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is 3. The relation between two equations are x and y. Therefore, x y is equal to minus 16 7. This is of the form ax is equal to b. Now, first we have to take del. Del is, in this case, del is a. del is equal to 5 minus 2 1 3. Find the determinant of a, that is del. Okay, now 5 3s are 15 minus of minus 2 is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Next find del x. Del x means take first 2 cross 2 matrix capital A, delete first column 5 1, delete, insert the constant column minus 16 7. So minus 16 7 minus 2 3. Del x means delete x column, delete x column 5 1, insert constant column minus 16 7. Now minus 16 3s are minus 48 minus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. Next minus 48 plus 14 is equal to 34 negative 34. Okay, next del y. Del y is equal to insert constant column in y column, delete second column, that is y column, insert constant column. Del y is equal to 5 1, delete second column minus 2 minus 3 is deleted, insert minus 16 7, minus 16 7. Now 5 7 so 35 minus 16 is equal to 51. 35 plus 60, minus of minus positive, therefore del y is equal to 51. How to find x from del x and del y? Now by the grammar rule, comma, x is equal to del x by del. Del x is minus 34, del is 17, so minus 2. Next del y is equal to del y divided by del. Del y is 51, del is 17. 51 means 17 3s are 51 divided by 17. Cancelling these two, we get 3. So y is equal to 3. Next verification. X is, in this case, x is minus 2, y is positive 3. The solution set is x comma y, that is minus 2 comma positive 3. Next verification. Let LHS of equation number 1. Equation number 1 LHS. LHS of equation number 1 is equal to 5x minus 2y. Next apply x and y. 5 into minus 2 minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 10 minus 6 is equal to minus 16 is equal to RHS of equation number 1. RHS of equation number 1. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. There are two methods. One is the two linear equations are given using the matrix inversion method. Ax is equal to B are the form, x is equal to A inverse B. First to find A inverse, then B multiplied. We get capital X. Capital X is small x and y. Therefore we get solution set. Verification, take any one equation, LHS of the equation, apply the solution, we get RHS, then verification over. Grammar rule. Grammar rule, the same method but slightly different. Solve the system of linear equations. There are two equations are given. How to solve the two equations using grammar rule? Grammar rule is del x is equal to del x by del a, y is equal to del y by del a. X and y are solution set. Suppose del is equal to 0. What will happen? Del is equal to 0. In this case, the denominator will be 0. Numerators are positive number or negative number. Any number divided by 0 is infinity. We cannot find the solution of x. The same situation, del is equal to 0. Any number divided by 0 is infinity. We cannot find y. Therefore, totally we cannot find the solution set. Okay. Now, the two methods are over. Matrix inversion method and a grammar rule. Now, the other problems try at home. If any doubt, ask the question or send the message to me. Okay, very good. Thank you.